Hello everyone, it's Susan, and let's just plan. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 planners that I will be using in 2021. And yeah, I think I'm going to start with the dashboard planner. It is undated, and I did do a flip through of this particular planner, but I want to share with you what I'm going to use it for. So what I want to do, and this is my thought at the moment, so we'll see what happens, but I'm going to use this for 2 different purposes. On the left side of the dashboard, right where the dashboard is, this is where I'm going to do my memory keeping, right? So that's going to happen on this side. I'll put my photos, I'll put my writing about the photos. That's all going to happen here. On this side, I'm going to do my plan with me for the week. So I'm not sure at this point if it's going to, you know what, it'll probably be 2 different videos, right? That kind of makes sense. Yeah, as I think about this and talk it through, it makes sense. So I will have 2 videos, one about the memory keeping and then one about the plan with me. So that's this one, and I love it. I love it. I love it. The more you watch my channel, the more you will see that I love color. But with that being said, this year's, or the 2021 budget planner, I actually got this on HSN, and it came in a little kit with stickers and, gosh, I want to say something else I don't recall right now. But anyway, so this is also new, and this I am going to be using for budgeting. I will probably be taking out one of the pages, and I'm going to be changing it up a bit to where it's really going to work for me, but yet I don't want to totally change it up, right? So you can see I have some little sticky notes here on my thoughts on how I'm going to do the budgeting. Then I'm going to use this for my faith and gratitude journal. So this one is, ends in the summer in 2021. So I did get this on Cyber Week, and so I got it, I don't know if it was $4 or $5, whatever it was. So it was inexpensive, and I was okay with that, because I think come the summer I'm going to be ready for something new. So I think I'll just, buy a new one. But every day I will go ahead and either write scripture, or I'm going to write something I'm grateful for, whatever I feel like that morning when I get up. That's what I'm going to use this for. Yeah, and I like using my different color gel pens in here and everything. So that's this one, my faith gratitude planner. So this is my planner that I'm going to use for planning. So I'm just going to kind of go to this page here. There is a video I made for this. I'm not sure if it released yet or not, but this is my schedule of which planner I'm going to work in on what day, and when the video is going to post, what the planner is for, when I'm going to do pen to paper, is it going to be in the video or not. But anyway, there is a separate video for this, and as you can see here, I'm already making some notes. I already pulled out some sticker paper I got from 6th and Oakmont on Etsy. And yeah, so I mean, this is just it's really my social media planning is what this is. So that's that. And those are my planners. I do have another planner coming from, on December 7th, when the new release came out. And it is it's a mini. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. If anything, who knows? I also ordered from Plaything on the website, and I have a really pretty like a traveler's notebook type planner coming. So, who knows what I'm, how I'm going to use these things. But I do like taking a lot of notes. I do like being organized. So, I'm sure I will use them. So let me know if you have any questions on any of these. And let me know, have you decided what you're going to use in 2021? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here. Have a blessed week. Bye-bye.